Now, if you're living with bad credit in 2026, you need to check this out. Now, this was a client who signed up right at the end of the year, and already we were able to get over 165 point FICO credit score increase. So as it says right here, this is as of February 28th, 2026. So this was only about a month ago. As y'all can see, the dispute results came in. Then you can see this update here on their Experian FICO 8 credit score. They're now in the very good category. So it increased 165 points. So that basically means their credit score was in the mid 500s. Now let's take a look and see exactly what happened. So when we look at these dispute results, now we can see right before their credit score updated on February 25th, they got some deletions. So this was Bank of America and then Mechanics Bank Auto Finance. As y'all can see, this is the after the item was deleted. But let's check out what this looked like before. So when we go to the before, this was an individual credit card with a $6,600 charge off. All right. This would have stayed on their credit report until June 2030. So a couple more years to go. But when we look at the derogatory credit history back in 2023, they got some 30-day late, 30 turned into 60, turned into 90, 180, and then a charge off account. Now, here's one thing that a lot of people have to understand, especially the people in the back. The banks are not going to just approve you with your credit as is. Hoping and praying is not a funding or credit strategy. You got to fix your credit profile so that the banks have nothing to hold against you. So as y'all can see, this negatively affected their credit for several years up until 2026. That's when we got this deleted off their credit report. Now going back to the other account. Now looking at the payment history here, it doesn't seem too bad. You just have this 1 30-day late. When we go back up here, we know this was a 73-month term. So even if they did pay it off, it still has a 30-day late that's reporting on their credit profile. This is going to impact their credit profile in several different ways. The number of accounts with late payments and the on-time payment percentage. You cannot maximize on-time payment history with late payments reported if it's an active account or if it's a closeout account. Whether you're looking to get some funding, maybe purchase a vehicle, buy a house, or even buy a business, you need to have a good financial reputation. Do yourself a favor, call the number up on the screen, CP Restoration Services, the #1 credit restoration service. Don't delay, give us a call today.
Call the number on the screen to live the good life.